So when it comes to replacing or dealing with the main bath floor, almost always you're going to either tear up the tile and install new, or you're going to go ahead and put down a vinyl water plank flooring, waterproof flooring. That's got to be considered when you go in. And I always talk to the homeowner to determine what exactly they want. All right. So you have to remove the existing flooring, you take up the tile, you make sure that all of the thin set or whatever was beneath that tile is brought down to a level, and then you go ahead and redo the tile according to the needs of the homeowner. All right. So you always have to make sure that the floor is level. You have to, if you're going to use a wood floor, I mean, if you're going over the top of a wood floor, you got to make sure that you put down like a Durock or a Hardy board before you go over the top of the wood. It's much more secure, and it's just a better finish. It will last a lot longer is the main thing. Okay, you install the tile, you install the grout, which always I buy tile that's non-slip because that's a critical aspect of this. Now the waterproof vinyl flooring uh, is very cool. I love this because instead of having to tear everything up, you can really go right over the top of the existing floor. If it's tile floor, man, what a joy that is. And you get in there, you install it, you put the transition strips at wherever doorways you are, making sure that the if it's a wheelchair, you can roll over it easily. And it's a great product. Trim it out with either a quarter round or a baseboard of some kind, whatever's the homeowner wants or whatever the best solution is for that particular thing. So that's basically it. I prefer that if I could do vinyl waterproof plank flooring, it just makes the job more clean and goes way faster. So there you go. Hey, keep it going. Oh, by the way, you have to make sure that you get all the measurements. And I should have said that right in the beginning. So you know you get enough of what you need. Okay. Thank you.